Which bond involves electron transfer? Ionic. Which element has symbol Br? Bromine. Which gas smells like rotten eggs? Hydrogen sulfide. Which element has symbol P? Phosphorus. Which element has atomic number 1? Hydrogen. Which element is used in fertilizers? Nitrogen. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which element has atomic number 17? Chlorine. Which metal is used in jewelry? Gold. Which metal is used to make cans? Aluminum. Which gas is toxic? Co. What is Avogadro's number? 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23rd. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide. Which element has symbol C? Carbon. Which element is the lightest? Hydrogen. Which metal is used in electrical wires? Copper. Which element is used in glass? Silicon. Which gas has the formula O2? Oxygen. Which element is used in matches? Phosphorus. Which gas forms acid rain? SO2. Which metal is used in batteries? Lead. Which element has symbol Si? Silicon. Which element burns with bright light? Magnesium. Which gas is colorless and odorless? Nitrogen. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which element has the symbol Fe? Iron. Which compound is a base? KOH. Which metal is used to make cans? Aluminum. Which compound is a ketone? Acetone. Which element is used in matches? Phosphorus. Which element belongs to group 18? Argon. Which element has symbol Br? Bromine. Which element has symbol Ti? Titanium. Which acid is found in soft drinks? Carbonic acid. Which element has symbol N? Nitrogen. Which metal is very soft? Sodium. Which metal reacts with water vigorously? Potassium. Which metal is light? Aluminum. Which acid is found in car batteries? Sulfuric acid. Which gas is in soda? O2. Which orbital fills after 3p? Pores. What is the chemical symbol for gold? O. Which element has the symbol Mg? Magnesium. Which gas is used in welding? Acetylene. Which element has symbol Ag? Silver. Which element forms ammonia? Nitrogen. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Fluorine. What is the formula of ozone? O3. Which gas forms acid rain? SO2. Which element forms the strongest hydrogen bonds? Fluorine.